Hey everyone, it's Hunter from CSI Accounting and Payroll. In today's video, we're going to be chatting about why your auto repair shop needs an accounting firm. A lot of auto repair shops are really good with working on cars and, what it looks like on the inside of their shop. What oftentimes gets missed is their numbers and ultimately what they need to do to be successful. You can have the best shop, the best people, the best customer base, but ultimately if you don't price correctly, it can destroy your business. Most shops are constantly focusing on growing their business as in terms of top-line revenue, but what often gets mistaken is the profitability aspect or the gross profit margin. You need to be focusing on making sure every single job that you do is as profitable as possible. You're probably wondering how you're going to do this. Well, if you're not calculating your labor or your part markups or your overhead correctly, you're probably leaving money on the table. And this is exactly where an accounting firm can go in and help you track these items to make sure you're doing everything correctly. One of the biggest issues we see with our auto repair clients is cash flow. And hey, I get it. Finding a balance between taking money out of your business into your personal life is hard. Probably one of the hardest issues out there for all business clients. But what you don't want to do is take too much money out of your business into your personal life because it can cause cash flow issues. Specifically, having issues covering payroll, rent, other vendor payments. And this is exactly why you should be working with an accounting firm. A good accounting firm can help you figure out the appropriate amount of money to have in your business and your personal life so you can make sure that cash flow issues won't hinder your growth. Another massive point of importance in your business is staying compliant, specifically when it comes to the IRS. Think payroll taxes, sales tax, and then just your federal tax throughout the year. Oftentimes, clients who come to us are having issues in this area because their accountant isn't involved in their business. They're oftentimes meeting with them once, maybe twice a year, and they're not doing a good enough job of explaining what they need to do to stay compliant. Hey, the tax law is constantly changing, and it's extremely long and difficult. If you aren't working with an accountant, say, on a monthly basis, it's very easy for you to miss these particular items. My recommendation is to work with a communicative accounting firm that you can touch base with monthly to ensure that you're staying on top of these items. Bad financial advice could cost you thousands of dollars each year. Too many auto repair shop owners take advice from tool truck guys in November, December, industry peers, or what they see on podcasts and internet instead of talking to a financial expert, their accounting firm, or even a financial planner in this instance. Don't take it up with someone who isn't an expert when it comes to purchases, depreciation, equipment, or even tax deductions. Working with the right accounting firm will give you data-driven reasoning as to why you should do certain things and not just because you heard it smart from the guy down the street. It's really important that you look at the math and the numbers in this particular spot, not to overpay. Hey, I get it. You as a shop owner, you're doing everything in your power to increase your car count and staying busy because in theory, staying busy means more money. But the reality is, if you're not tracking efficiency, pricing, or labor, there's a good chance you could be losing money at the end of the day. Hey, you work hard. You have a plan in place. But if you don't know your numbers and you don't know your pricing strategy, all that hard work could be for none. This is why working with an accounting firm is so important because they can help you identify the right pricing strategy, how to track those metrics, and ultimately what you need to do to stay profitable month after month. Again, if you're not doing this, you could be working hard for nothing. Almost all shop owners don't understand their numbers, specifically their profit and loss and their balance sheet. And hey, I get it. I didn't grow up wanting to learn about a profit and loss and balance sheet. It's not my favorite thing either. That said, it's still very important. That's why working with an accounting firm is so important. A good accounting firm can help you break down a profit and loss so you understand the money going in, money going out, and what you need to do to make sure you're staying as profitable as possible. They can also help you understand your balance sheet to really make sure you understand the valuation of your business, what that means, if you should take on extra debt or if you should pay it down, and ultimately how much your business may be worth in the long run as well. Working with the right accounting firm can make or break the financial health of your business. One very important item that we can't skip over is your business entity structure, specifically how you should set up your business. And hey, I get it. It's complex. It can even be complex for us sometimes for some of our clients. That being said, it's really important that we get it right for you and your business because this determines how you get paid, how much tax you're going to owe, and ultimately how you should distribute your money. If you do this incorrectly, this is a very simple and easy way to be overpaying in taxes every single year. And as your business changes, so do the conversations around how you should set up your business as well. Just because you're a certain entity today doesn't mean you need to be in that entity forever. Do you want to work forever or do you want to retire one day? This is a real question that a lot of shop owners do not think about. You need to plan now, as if you were going to sell your business tomorrow and not down the road. If you keep kicking the can down the road, Ultimately, what you might find is your business is not as valuable as it could be. This is why a monthly accountant is so important. If they do your books every single month and help you understand your numbers, not only can you make more educated, sound decisions to grow your business, but your business can be more attractive because you have the accurate documentation you need to sell your business for as much as possible. Hey, I get it. You didn't become an auto repair shop owner because you have a passion for the numbers. And I know it's not the most fun part about your business. That is all the more reason why you should work with a good accounting firm that can take a lot of this off your plate. So you don't have to worry about tracking and staying on top of the organization aspect, but rather you can have conversations about the bigger picture. How am I doing? Where am I at? Am I on pace for my goals? What do I need to do today to be successful? That's ultimately why you should work with an accountant to help you with all these items we discussed today. So if you're a shop owner focusing on fixing cars, ask yourself, who's fixing my finances? Schedule a free consultation today to get your numbers right. Thanks again for watching. See you again next time.